So on this video we're going to talk a bit about how you install the U12S cooler on an AM4 platform. As you can see, you need to have the pre-installed backplate from your motherboard, then you put on the spacers on top of the backplate, and then you put on the mounting bars according to your desired orientation of the cooler. Sorry a bit about the out of focus camera, should have just stuck it in manual mode, but you just put on both the mounting bars on the cooler, just like that, as you can see here, and then you screw with the screws that are provided, and make sure you tighten them for a nice fit in a X pattern. So up next, what you need to do is to just tighten every single one of them, and make sure that everyone is well tightened. So up next, you need to prepare the CPU to receive the cooler itself, and check out that the backplate is nicely and well installed, as you can see here. Then you put on the thermal paste, and as a finishing step you just put on the U12S on top of it, and make sure that you spread the cooler really tightly, because you want to make sure that there are no air bubbles inside, and tighten a little bit of each side step by step, because you don't want to make sure that you tighten one side more than the other, because that can make the cooler impossible to screw on if you do that. So after this, after you cannot screw anymore, you have this finished build, and it's really easy to install, just like all Noctua products. After this, you put on the fan, and you plug the fan connector into the motherboard, and here we have a finishing look. And if you want any help, just let us know.